Hi, my beauties! We've got something super cute for you today. Are you ready to see some super cute hairstyles? 'Cause I definitely am. Starting off with a simple ponytail and then starting styling in a different way. This way of pulling the hair through, it gives this ponytail just the right twist. That is just the prettiest bow hairstyle I've ever seen. You can leave it just like that, or you can repeat the same process with the other sections and create completely something else. I am definitely loving this one so far. It is actually looking like a voluminized braid. Secure the left of the ponytail with a bobby pin and you're ready, baby! On to the next one, sweetie! And we're going for another beautiful hairstyle out of that ponytail. Get your hair ties ready, 'cause you're gonna need them in this one. Time to create a beautiful bun and then add a little braid out of the left ponytail. Securing it with a bobby pin, and I am definitely amazed with the outcome of this one. Those cute little pearls are looking fantastic, sweetie. I bet you didn't expect to be 3 different hairstyles on this one, did you? These hair donuts are perfect to add volume on your hair. A beautiful hair accessory like this can actually give that super cute low bun a whole new look. Moving on to the next hairstyle for today. Are you ready, girls? It actually requires more than one elastic tie, but it's super easy to create. Looking so elegant! I love it! And the last hairstyle for today is just the easiest and quickest to make. All you gotta do is wrap the hair into a bun and create 2 beautiful braids on it.